That song is giving. Oh.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
What's up, y'all? So today is Saturday, March. I was say 11, March 12th. I don't know why. I'm like, what day it is? The reason I look like real light right now. I'm gonna say white because I've been using that cream. Y'all know I've been trying to get my teeth straight, and I also been trying to get my skin together. So as you can see, it's still peeling. This part has become light. Yeah, it's still a process. Like, it's a process. So 2022, I'm working on myself, and I did. Okay, so finally got my tooth hood. Like, it's still sore, and it's stitched up. Then I gotta take the bottom two out, and then that's it. Then I get the rest of my braces on. Like, it's just a long process. I hope that this moves and shifts before June, because y'all know June is my birthday, so I need that to be filled in, or I'm gonna just be closed. My mouth's just gonna be closed, okay? But they say that it filled in pretty quickly. Oh, so I'm excited because the palettes are done. I'm just trying to get the money to get the palettes out, and also the bases. They still working on those, but it's not gonna take that long to get those. But yeah, it's just a lot that I have to put money towards. I'm working towards getting the money, so it just takes longer, okay? And I'm doing this all by myself, y'all. Don't have the money, not really getting paid from YouTube, but I'm doing the best that I can to kind of get things one by one. So that's what's taking so long. And ever since COVID hit, it's been a major change in financial status, y'all. So it's just a struggle, but I be looking on the body side like, we gonna make it. We gonna make it. We gonna make it. So just paying stuff one by one, and I'm also paying out of pocket for braces too. So, and the face. So it's just like, child. Anyways, so I'm about to crimp this wig right here. This is the wig that I had on when I did the Valentine's Day look, and my nails have been growing. My room is real dirty, y'all. But let me show y'all. These are the pills right here that I've been taking to grow my hair, nails, and hair. What's this? Yeah, grows your hair and nails, y'all. Your hair, nails, and it's supposed to help the skin. So it's basically like biotin pills, but more stronger. So yeah, I'm about to get to it. I'm actually watching a YouTube video right now. My room is like dirty. Like, this, honestly, this didn't last because it's like, look at it. It's towed up. My bed frame is still decent. But I'm gonna give it away. Hopefully I won't be here too long, so I'm not going to change anything, and I'm not going to do a revamp bedroom tour because I manifest that I'm leaving by the end of 2022. I am leaving, okay? So yeah, and also working on credit. But yeah, let's get into this. This might be a mini vlog because I definitely don't want to be in the house. And wherever I go, I'm gonna take y'all with me. So let's get into doing this week. It's gonna take a long time because crimps be taking so long, y'all. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all. So I did not do the wig. I just had my mom put a quick bun in my head. It's so cute. Buns is just the best. But I did actually finish crimping her. Just about. Right here I had to crimp some more because it fell, but I did crimp her. And honestly, I feel like that was a waste of my Saturday. So I just look so bright. Turn this down. But yeah, I just like that's a waste of my Saturday. Now I'm about to do a beat. Not too much of a beat, but like something real quick. Y'all think my face getting so bright? I wash my face and everything. I'm about to put some makeup on and probably go outside. It's only like 9 something. It's 9:42, so hopefully I'll be done with this to be by like 11. So yeah, let's go. Let's do this beat because this bun is giving. I'm like, I don't really want a lot of edges. Give me something like how Tamara Naby's doing. Okay, give me something like that. Something simple. So let's make this face.
Girls love Beyonce. Girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. It's chalky, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in. No friends, no. You know how this shit goes.
Okay, y'all. So I just did my face and I'll turn this way maybe. This way is a lot better. Yeah, I feel like this way is a lot better. I just did my face. It is probably what, 5 o'clock? No, yeah, it's about to be 5. So it is Sunday, 5 o'clock. I'm just about to figure out what I'm finna put on. My face came out cute. I keep crying in this eye, but I'm gonna try to stop crying and I'm gonna go and put some more shimmer on my lid. It's just so weird why I keep crying, but I need to figure out what I'm gonna put on, and I need to wash my hands because I do got makeup on it still. So yeah, time to get outside. Time has went up, so that means daylight is gonna be out till like 7 o'clock. So yeah, let's go. All right, y'all. So my outfit, I brought out my dunks. I mean, not dunks. What the fuck these is? Focus. Damn, I bought these shoes out, y'all. I don't even wear gym shoes like that, but I'm like, you know what? Let me put my gym shoes on, cause let me tone this down. I look good. That highlighter though, fast hell. That sun is giving. Ooh, y'all gonna see the whole look when I get out the car, but we got the Henny. I think it's this bowling thing going on tonight, and also we're gonna see a comedy. So yeah, my angles is so bad, y'all, and it's fucking hot in here. So we tried to go to Kitchen and Cocktails, but they just made reservations for Friday because everybody booking them. They is black owned, so if you in Chicago, go try them out. But you gotta book ahead of time because you cannot walk in there without a reservation.
They glowing up. They over here by the Trump Tower.
She moved out the state, but she doing left. She seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she wanna go and start up a business. Her daddy is not around. My mama is not around. I watch her climb up the top of the pole and niggas sliding down. I make it rain in this bitch. I make it snow in this bitch. She trying to get out of the weeks.
I'm getting chilly now, but that's just because my back's sweaty.
Cause you cold.
Yeah, because it was hot in the car.
Y'all, so we at Friday Coop. They're supposed to have some good chicken tenders. I'm already off the Hennessy a little bit, so I'm ready to try them. I'm trying to see if I want hot or if I want honey barbecue. I'm finna go down to Taco Bell and get a blast.
Go down. We about to fry the coop, the whole coop.
It's only 7 o'clock, y'all. Y'all know I do not be outside at no 7 o'clock. This is the time that I'll be starting to do my fucking makeup. But I'm glad I'm outside. Because I feel like I'm not in a rush. I'm not in a rush or nothing like that. Instagrammable shots.
Back in the stoop. Back in the stoop. Young nigga win. How can I lose? How can I lose? How can I lose? Playing with the gang. Physical shoot. Me and driving a coupe. Paparazzi, this is the roof.
Alright, y'all. So I'm just sitting here editing my video. I do these for like Instagram, so that's why they sideways. Cause when I get done, I'm gonna turn it around. So after this is done, I think I want to upload it. But I just have a little vlog for y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this vlog for Monday. It's supposed to be about Monday. And yeah, I don't really do much, but right now I want to start planning on my tablet. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna start planning content, social media content on my tablet to just kind of keep me organized with my work. And I have to really take this seriously. I need to switch up my content. More vlogs, probably makeup in the beginning of the vlog, like get ready with me in the beginning of all my vlogs, and then just do like vlogs, like stuff, places, just be outside more, experience more. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all on my next y'all video.